Digital marketing, SEO and website development. At
Knoxville, Nashville, Chattanooga, and around Tennessee.
Let's know something about professional website design. Before starting professional website design, you have to follow few steps. 1. Goal identification, where you work with the client to determine what goals the website needs to fulfill. In example, what its purpose is. 2. Scope definition. Once we know the site goals, we can define the scope of the project. In example, what pages and features the site requires to fulfill the goal and the timeline for building those out. 3. Sitemap and wireframe creation. With the scope well defined, we can start digging into the sitemap, defining how the content and features we defined in scope definition will interrelate.
4. Content creation. Now that we have a bigger picture of the site in mind, we can start creating content for the individual pages, always keeping search engine optimization in mind to help keep pages focused on single topic. 5. Visual elements. With the site architecture and some content in place, we can start working on the visual brand. Depending on the client, this may already be well defined, but you might also be defining the visual style from the ground up. Tools like style tiles, mood boards, and element collages can help with this process. 6. Testing. By now, you have got all your pages and defined how they display to the site visitor. So, it's time to make sure it all works. Combine manual browsing of the site on a variety of devices with automated site crawlers to identify everything for user experience issues. 7. Launch. Once everything's working beautifully, it's time to plan and execute your site launch. This should include planning both launch timing and communication strategies. In example, when will you launch, and how will you let the world know? After that, it's time to break out the bubbly. What does your process look like? Do you follow similar design process, or does yours look radically different? We would love to hear all about it, so contract us.
Our contract. Digital Cusp, 9111 Cross Park Drive, Suite D226, Knoxville, Tennessee 37923. Phone, 865-236-1638. Email, martin.pippin@digitalcusp.com or nero@digitalcusp.com.